A 3-bedroom unit natin. So the floor area, it's a little bit bigger since 3-bedroom nga siya. It comes with it 72 square meter. So
bigger floor area po ang difference po niya.
And of course, the price itself.
So mas mataas na po siya, mga around 400 to 500,000 po.
And I've noticed, sir, dito pwede ka pang mag-landscape, no, sir? Ayan.
Pwede po nilang i-utilize po for room expansion or kung gusto po nila ng garden po.
O tara, what are we waiting for? Let's come inside. Ayan. So, you have more ample space for your living area, no? So,
sir, kung makikita niyo po, ito po yung staircase po natin. Na-utilize po siya.
Yes.
So, pero pag tinurn over po, staircase lang po siya.
Pila lang yan. Okay.
Yan.
So, yan. Pwede pala siyang maging storage area para walang kalat-kalat sa bahay, no, sir? Ano, sir, with this one, comes with your common toilet and bathroom.
Yes po. Yun po.
So, ganyan na din yung deliverables, no, sir?
Din po.
I see.
Tsaka naka-tiles na din.
And then, of course, the typical Filipino family, no, they do have the clean kitchen inside. And, yun nga, what the good thing about Ahoya, meron pa din siyang service area or for the laundry and kitchen. Nakasama pa din for the 88 square meter of lot area.
Yes,
ito yan for room for expansion or for improvement, no, sir?
Yes,
for
po,
the
sir.
laundry, dirty kitchen, or even a small room for senior citizen.
Yes po, sir. Tapos even po yung back area po, pwede po natin siyang ipa-bakod
Bakod,
po. Yan,
for
so,
privacy,
privacy,
no?